Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you the Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver, the all-new device that allows you to connect to devices through Bluetooth that aren't normally Bluetooth compatible. With the Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver, you can connect your phone and other devices to a wide variety of devices like TV, speakers, computers, and so much more. Connect to any device faster and more efficiently like never before with this incredible device. You can purchase this product today using the link below. All right, let's take a closer look. The Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver has a wide variety of features that enhance its versatility and compatibility with your devices. With a fully rotational stand, you can fit the device on any surface of your choosing. In addition, the transmitter receiver also comes with a wide variety of cables that allow you to connect it to tons of different devices not usually Bluetooth compatible. For connection with your TV, the device comes with AUV, ARC, and optical connection cables, giving you 3 unique options for use and making it compatible with 99% of TVs. Simply plug in the transmitter receiver to the desired device in order to turn it on and begin Bluetooth connection. Once the transmitter receiver is plugged in, use your phone and other Bluetooth devices to play music, watch videos, and do all kinds of activities like never before. With so many options, the Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver is bound to make a wireless connection so much easier. In addition to connection features, this Bluetooth transmitter receiver also has tons of other cool features for you to use. With the device's HD LCD screen, you can easily view its settings and functions, helping you connect faster and more easily. In addition, the device has an LED visualization, which you can be sure that the device won't make unintentional connections to other home devices. The transmitter receiver also supports dual headphone and earphone connection, allowing you to enjoy stereo high-quality music with a device that's faster and easier to use than other dual-connected transmitters. Switch from TX to RX mode whenever you'd like to provide the best audio output. In addition, with the device's low latency, you'll never experience a lag in connection, making your experience easier and so much more fun. Connect wherever and whenever you'd like with your favorite wireless activities with this transmitter receiver. With so many awesome features, the Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver allows you to connect to any device you need, make your TV, speakers, or computer Bluetooth compatible, and transmit videos, audio, and so much more. The Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver has something for everyone and is bound to make all your connection needs so much easier. Don't miss this incredible product and order the Smof Bluetooth transmitter receiver today using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.